Hi, today I am sharpening tools. I just got an axe sharpener from Amazon. I don't get paid, nor do I work for the companies to endorse these products. I'm trying it out. One side is 320, it's the smooth side. It fits in your palm. It can go with the curve of a blade. The other side is 180, and you wet it. Now these tools are a bit of a relic. The Japanese people used tools like this in the old days. This would sledgehammer it into the dirt, pull out the dirt and the rocks and cut through. This would be to make rows for your seedlings. So I'm going to use the rough side. And then you use the smooth side. And I have a little blade there. It's sharper than it was. It's pretty sharp. You can see it. So that works good. And then you have a regular knife sharpening stone with the heavy grit and the smoother grit. That's going to get off the rust. Later I'm going to soak it in vinegar. That gets off the rust. I'm going to put, hopefully, sort of an edge on that. So oddly enough, there's an edge on top that I made with the sharpening stone. You can see the color difference. I'm assuming it went like this, and then you drag it. But this end is very thick. So maybe you just stab it this way and pull it, because the blade end is on the top. And it's very sharp. This is sharp. So if you see old tools like this, don't pass them up. I put a nice edge on this. And they're just as good as power tools, only a little slower, but no noise. So if you find one of these, pick it up for your axe, for your blades. And I think it's a good thing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.